students.
Morning, Mom.
Good morning, ma'am.
Last meeting, did I give any assignments or things to do?
Yes, ma'am. You assigned us to make a group and have a research about individual differences.
Oh, I remember now. Thank you, Roxanne, for reminding me.
You're welcome, ma'am.
Okay, class, are you all ready for today's activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then, let's start. I have here some questions about individual differences. Oh, by the way, can anyone explain to me or tell me the definition of individual differences? Anybody?
Mom,
Yes, Russell.
individual differences refer to enduring characteristics that distinguish one organism from another and that are stable over time and across situations. Traditionally, these characteristics have included cognitive, affective, behavioral, and/or genetic traits ascribed to persons or animals.
Yes, exactly. Thank you, Russell, for that wonderful meaning. So now let's proceed to our questions. First set of questions are about individual differences. You are going to explain your reasons for agreeing or disagreeing for the following questions. So the first question goes like this. If a disease has a genetic basis and someone has the abnormal or alleles for the disease, then that person will have the symptom of the disease. Yes, Alexander.
Well, this may be the case for some genetic disorders. It is not the case for all. Autism, respectively, is being controlled.
Great idea, Alexander. The next question we have, if you have a genes for aggression, then you are an aggressive person?
Ma'am,
Yes, Roxanne, you're raising your hand.
the wording of this sentence makes two assumptions. First, it assumes that there are genes which affects only aggression, and the second, it assumes that if someone has those genes, they will necessarily be aggressive. Neither of these two assumptions is correct.
Yes, it is. Then, what is an aggressive behavior a sign of?
Mom,
Yes, Russell.
it's because them to act in ways that others might find challenging, including aggressively. The aggressive behavior might be the person's way of trying to achieve what they need. It might be a sign of a need that is not being met or an attempt to communicate it.
Yes, indeed. Aggressive behavior might be a person's way of trying to achieve what they need. Now let's focus on educational individual differences.
Around the world, every public school system is faced with the challenge of educating large numbers of students efficiently while also meeting the needs of each student. The waves of international migration taking place today makes this challenge particularly daunting. Schools, teachers, and school system have to respond to an increasingly diverse students' body and very different needs.
The fundamental question is this: how can we ensure that all students have the opportunity to learn and reach their full potential, regardless of their place of birth, family of origin, religion, gender, or cognitive abilities? Yes, Mr. Alexander?
One common response to this challenge has been to group students with similar achievements levels into courses, study programs, or school, a practice known as tracking. The aim is to create more homogeneous groups of students with the assumption that this will make it easier for teachers to tailor instructions to students' needs.
Yes, you're right. I am very impressed of your ideas, Mr. Kabangbang, and also to everyone. You always give the opinion and your ideas very well. Now it's time to cut it here. I will see you next meeting class. Goodbye, students, and please do take care.